Hi, my name's Andrew. It's nice to meet you. Oh, hey Andrew, I'm Namdaemun. You can just call me DM. It's a pleasure to meet you too. By any chance, are you the YouTuber that has created children's videos and debate videos and videos on learning English, help people learn English and improve their English by having... Welcome, pioneers. Learning a second language is really hard. You have to break out of your comfort zone and be willing to make mistakes and try to correct them, and then remember those corrections. But the most difficult part is when someone says something to you and you're not sure how you should respond. Maybe you didn't hear them. Maybe you didn't understand. Maybe both. When it comes to this situation, usually there are two options. Option A, you can look scared. Option B, you may think way too hard about what to say. However, there is an option C. Today's video is going to focus on different expressions you can use when someone speaks to you and you're not quite sure what they said. These expressions are used to help the speaker repeat what they said or say it in an easier way. But I will just call this the Say What English lesson.
Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
Say
what? What?
Say what?
When using informal expressions, you want to use them with friends and family, people you are comfortable speaking with. Some expressions are, what did you say? Excuse me? Come again? Say what? Additionally, we can say things such as, huh? What? Eh? Well, everyone, I hope this video has helped you a lot. I want to give a shout out to my friend Heijin on Tandem, who asked me this question and kind of gave me inspiration to create this video. You have learned expressions to use when speaking to someone that you're not quite sure exactly what they said. So hopefully you can feel more confident when interacting with native speakers of your second language. There will be another video like this with formal expressions that when it gets released, you can check and click it in the card above. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help support this channel. Comment below ideas for future videos or your thoughts about this one. While you're waiting for the next video, you can check out some of these other videos related to learning English and improving your English abilities. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.